I am the liver, and my microscopic organization is based on functional units called lobules. To understand how I work, we must zoom into my microscopic structure. These repeating units are known as liver lobules. Each lobule is roughly hexagonal in shape. At the center of each lobule lies a central vein. Blood from the lobule drains into this central vein. At the corners of the lobule are portal areas. Each portal area contains a portal triad. The portal triad has three key components. One component brings nutrient-rich blood from digestion. Another component supplies oxygen-rich blood. The third component drains bile away from liver cells. Together, these three structures form the portal triad. Blood enters the lobule at its edges. Blood flows through wide channels called sinusoids. Sinusoids slow blood flow for efficient processing. These channels are lined by hepatocytes. Hepatocytes extract nutrients and toxins from blood. Special immune cells remove bacteria and debris here. This space allows close exchange between blood and liver cells. While blood flows inward, hepatocytes also produce bile. Bile drains into tiny channels between liver cells. Bile flows in the opposite direction to blood. Bile then enters ducts within the portal triads. This opposite flow is essential for liver function. Millions of lobules together form the liver. Each lobule contributes to blood filtration. This structure allows efficient metabolism. Toxins are neutralized at the lobular level. Bile production is evenly distributed throughout lobules. Blood leaves lobules through central veins. Portal triads mark the entry and exit points of flow. This arrangement maximizes efficiency. All lobules work simultaneously. Together, lobules create the working liver. Healthy lobules ensure proper liver function. Damage at the lobular level affects the entire liver. Normal structure supports recovery and balance. Each lobule is a complete processing unit. Understanding liver lobules and portal triads explains how my structure supports my function.